Hey guys, welcome back to the Wandering Beard. Today we hopped over the border. We're now in Argentina in a town called Ushuaia, and we're just going to be exploring a little bit. It's a beautiful day with the sunshine, so let's go. As you can see, we're back on the boat. We're cruising around the southernmost tip of South America. We're going through Cape Horn. We're all bundled up because it is cold. But yeah, cruising around as far south as we're going to go, and then we're going to start heading north back towards Fort Lauderdale. And that's gonna do it for me, guys. Thanks so much for watching these. I know I say it every time, but it means a lot. Like and subscribe to this video. We got more coming out. Yeah, we're heading back north now, so we made it all the way around South America. We're over halfway done, and we're gonna start heading back up. Yeah, like and subscribe. Leave a comment for me. Again, I apologize, my cold is hanging in there, but it'll go away soon, hopefully. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.